Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Samsung actually supports 5G and that your carrier plan includes 5G service. This avoids wasted steps. Once done, charge the phone to a practical level and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data so downloads succeed. Now open Settings, tap Connections, and get ready to change mobile network preferences. These menus control what bands and mode the radio uses. Follow each tap deliberately so you don't reset other settings by mistake. You now go deeper. Tap Mobile Networks, then Network Mode to reveal available radio modes. Choose the 5G option. Many phones list 5G/4G/3G/2G by default, while some show a dedicated 5G only entry. Pick it if present. If the 5G only option is missing, make sure your carrier settings and system software are up to date, because manufacturers sometimes hide strict 5G choices until firmware or SIM profile updates arrive. Finish by restarting the phone so the modem reboots with the new preference. Once it boots, check the status bar for a 5G indicator. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode on then off, and if that fails, power down and reset the SIM. Sometimes the SIM profile must refresh. Make sure system firmware and carrier settings are updated, and if problems persist, contact your carrier. Often they must enable 5G on your account or provision a compatible SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.